Yeah, man. From Moran Point
to Negril Point,
from Kingston
to Savlamar.
This your one.
Every Jamaican
UIC
for all of we. UIC for unity.
Yeah. One Jamaica,
united, strong and free. One people, one destiny.
no matter where you're born, no matter where you be.
UIC for all of we.
UIC
For unity.
One Jamaica,
United, strong and free. Lift every family, build prosperity.
no more division.
No more hypocrisy. UIC for all of we.
UIC
For unity.
Every election, same old story. Promises today, tomorrow no glory. Crime still high, mother still cry. Young people wonder why try. Why?
Hospital crowded, school them strain. Pocket getting lighter, people feel pain. Roads full of pothole, traffic can't move. Everybody working, still can't improve.
We've had enough,
Time for unite.
put Jamaica first.
Do what's right.
One Jamaica,
United, strong and free. One people, one destiny. UIC for all of we.
UIC
For unity.
cost of living climbing, food bill rise, light bill shocking, open your eyes. Housing expensive, youth can't buy. Too many graduates, opportunity pass by. Scammer headline, corruption talk. Too much politics too. Liquor walk, every hurricane, every disaster. Recovery slow, need governance faster. Remember,
When COVID mash up the place, lockdown, curfew, everybody face. Arguments loud, rights and law. Whole country split, everybody saw.
Beryl, come true, Melissa too.
People lose plenty. What we are gonna do? Integrity matter, transparency too. The government belong to me and you.
Education,
Innovation,
agriculture,
transformation.
tourism grow, but everybody forget. Not just a few, we all feel red.
No more red, no more green. Build one future, build one dream. North,
So,
east,
west,
together Jamaica.
always blessed. One Jamaica,
United, strong and free. One Jamaica, our destiny. Raise your voice, let history see.
UIC for all the way.
UIC for unity.
One Jamaica,
United, strong and free.
no matter your parish,
No matter your class,
no matter your surname,
no matter your past,
no matter your community,
no matter your party,
we no see color.
we no see party. It's just you. UIC for all of we.
One Jamaica,
United, strong and free.